The Cool Lift Face Rejuvenation by Nature's Stone. Nature's Healing Stone Therapy has now incorporated the use of hot and cold stones into a protocol for the face. Since crossover services are now being offered by many spas, this new protocol is designed for both estheticians and massage therapists. Through the use of lymphatic drainage, manual massage, hot and cold stones, energy point work, and a nutrient-rich honey lift lotion, the skin becomes instantly alive and refreshed. This DVD features up-close video footage of facial protocols, including massage strokes and stone manipulation, accompanied by expert narration.